Random Team here, and today this is part 2 of the floating box the boat challenge. I'm gonna call it that. So last episode I was talking about how I was going to, what the plan was, and any information you needed. So today will be the building. Oh my god, my time just keeps going down and down and down and down. I need to leave some things on my phone so then I can record longer videos. So I'm going to be starting out with this. Okay, so this is just a little hard to cooperate. I need some scissors. Hold on. Oh wait, I'm not moving over there. I'm just gonna hold up. Just move this out of the way. Then. Okay, scissors. Time to cut. It's already been 1 minute. It's 2 minutes. And it can be. You might be wondering why these videos get shorter. That's because I'm running out of space on my phone. So, got my first piece. That was hard to get. Never actually got tinfoil. It would be this hard to make, to get, I mean. So, just go for like a wide bottom. Why is it so hard? So this is what I'm working with. I'm trying to keep it in place. Okay. There's gonna have to be a part 2 on building this again. And the video will be longer too. Because I'm kind of running out of time now. So this will be part 1 of building. Actually, part 3. So let's get my next piece, and then I'm gonna have to connect them.